Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on appearance here. When you just click here on appearance here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to center a link, just click in this sign. That like you see this color show for us, that's mean here center a link in the blue with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.